Hello. So really pleased to be here today. And I'm actually here representing an organization in Bangladesh and Dhaka as well. So first, a bit of a shout out for the guys in Dhaka. They weren't able to attend. There were some visa issues, and we'll resolve that so we can bring them back to Edmonton another time. And that is a part of our research and development team is Dr. Syed Imran Ahmed, Dr. Tafsir Hassan, who've been working with for the past year. And I really want to be talking to our project in Bangladesh, because it's a really interesting case example of how companies like ours are getting attention in other parts of the world. And so we're creating a solution that captures personalized information using simple and affordable devices, such as this device I just got yesterday from our ODM manufacturer in the United States, and really excited to say it's doing all the things that we expected it to do. But we're also using a wrist wearable solution to focus on an initiative that the International Center for Disease, International Center for Research for Disease and Diarrheal Research in Dhaka, and they came to us because they searched for us. They were looking to solve and address a problem of serving women and identifying young pregnant women who might have eclampsia or preeclampsia sooner, using simple to use affordable solutions in an ambulatory care program. And to start to pair that with a program where nurses are visiting their community on a regular basis. And it's amazing, we don't realize that the mortality rate in developing nations of things such as hypertension and eclampsia in young women can actually be above 25%. So it's a very serious problem. And so for us, it's a use case. As Corey Jansen was talking about a bit earlier, it's a great use case of how are these new sensors and advanced microprocessors in miniaturized form actually serving the world in new ways. And what's important about what we're doing is we're actually using artificial intelligence machine learning tool to do that. So anyways, I only have a short period of time to talk. Let's see if this works. And so this is the solution that we've created that captures O2, electrocardiogram, digital pulse. We can calculate blood pressure results at a very high level. We're at a Class B standard, but with more data sets and more comparators that we can train our machine learning platform on, we can get that to an A-level device. So it's really about access to information and data sets. So really fast run through on the platform. The platform is the key. We can get data sets and secondary use data sets to train our tools, but it's incredibly important to have access to data. And that's why we went down the path around creating our own devices. And we've created, as we've gone, relationships around the world. And so I'll summarize this in our work. It's important to build a world-class team and not just to be restricted in your thinking here. So to have a mindset of thinking and working globally, but acting locally, to build strength here. We have great assets here, but we actually have a fairly small market. And our markets are also fairly complicated here. So really important for us to work at international opportunities to develop those relationships at home and beyond. And that's certainly what we're doing. So that's a really fast run through. I think that's my time. And thank you for being here.